Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner. And here the second bar is connected with the timer. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. We've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. I'll pick 10 seconds delay, so just tap on the option, it will be immediately highlighted. And now after getting back, we have to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course, you can turn this option off just by entering the settings again and tap on off. Now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.